Ito ay pork sausage stuffed spaghetti with homemade tomato sauce. Okay, for the ingredients, ilalagay ko na lang sa description below.
We have to season it with some pepper, black pepper or white pepper to your taste. And if you like, you can also add some curry powder. Curry powder, anything like this, optional.
The curry is optional, right?
Curry, of course, is optional. Everything is optional. Cooking is can make your own combination. Soy sauce,
Favorite of Filipino.
adobo, some brown sugar. If you like, there's some ginger.
Ayan. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yes. Okay. Ayan. Then,
This is cornstarch.
this is
And then
cornstarch.
you can never mind. And then to stir it up.
Mix nyo yan ang picket. Mix. You have the spaghetti.
Yeah, and then you count whatever spaghetti you are, and then you just count 12, around 12 straws together, in one group, this all in one group. Yeah, simultaneous interpretation. and now you can just grab your bucket if your hands are slightly wet, okay? It's not my case, and then just wrap around.
A few moments later.
Fresh would be even better, of course, but you're doing fresh. Tarragon, whatever herb. Oregano, you just press it up. Of course, you can use whatever you like. It's just for additional flavor. Alright, so here you are.
Okay, almost there. So next naman ang ating homemade tomato sauce.
A few moments later.
Garlic in our beautiful coriander powder again, our own version of MSG. And you can add in a little bit of sugar if you like. Add the sugar is not healthier, but sometimes you need it.
Akala natin mga Filipino mahilig sugar.
And a little bit of salt. Half a teaspoon is enough. Wait, okay. Tomato thing.
Fifteen minutes later.
Add the tomato paste. Add the tomato paste into the water. This is only our own version, okay? Tomato paste here, okay. Much better. Tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste mixed with water, and then we also add the paprika inside a little bit. Up to you, optional. And then we just mix it with the homemade tomato paste, tomato sauce. Tomato sauce, yes. Beautiful. You would not buy any more ready-made tomato sauce outside. This is our own version. just
No
cook
healthy
for
ka, no?
15 minutes or half an hour, up to you. If you have time, it will be better for half an hour. If you don't have time, then 15 minutes.
Pwede. Ano, boiled without water.
And now you can, yes, just transfer to boiling water or this sauce. Huh? But I think we need more water.
Not oil. Sa tanong.
Oh, I like this.
Right.
Nothing is wasted.
Check kayo mas na
This is
15 minutes.
let's see this. Yes, it's softened, and this one is also curved, so it's okay.
Kuti-kuti. Sikapis pa din.
See? Okay now. Alright, so we can put in a little bit vegetables. Ourselves more happy. Little green. Just cook it for a while, and then it's time to serve.
And then exciting.
Now is the tasting time.
Yes. Malipatan nila kayo mo ng
This is the homemade sausage spaghetti.
Yummy. Then with the spaghetti.
Yeah,
Wala
okay.
kayo minced pork na. Dito.
Good.
May isa na lang.
Ah, okay.